What up, good people? Today it's 2-Minute Tip Tuesday. Let's get into this video. The first thing is your standard maintenance inspection. That's where you check all the coolant lines and the hoses and the belts, making sure everything is good. But this is where, if you know what you're looking for, you just pop the hood and look it over. But if you don't know what you're doing, just take it to your local mechanic or your local dealership or somewhere where they can help you out. I'm like, yo, look my car over. So the winter is approaching. I would like for you to look my vehicle over. The second one is check your battery. So most people do not do this, but you want to check your battery, especially when you're approaching the wintertime, because of the fact that the cold months or the cold days, you trying to get out and start your vehicle, and guess what's happening? Your car not cranking up and you are mad. Now you're sitting in the cold and now you're trying to figure out, hey, can you give me a jump? Hey, can you give me a jump? Hey, can you give me a jump? And you're looking like, yo, don't nobody want to give me a jump. You finally get that one person who want to give you a jump. So if you do not get your battery inspected or checked, just make sure you have a portable jump box with you so you can jump your own car. But yeah, just go get your battery checked. Nowadays your battery should last for like 3 years. The next one is check your wiper blades, making sure your wiper blades is not falling off, it's not hard, and making sure that you don't get screech when you're wiping your windshield. A side note to that is check your washer fluid, as in you want to swap out the washer fluid because, you know, you may have all season are good. You may just have the blue wiper fluid in the car. Yeah, swap that out for some de-icer, so in the wintertime or the cold mornings with the ice is on your windshield, you can just hit the wiper blades and get the de-icer going, and yeah, take the ice off your windshield. The next one is wash your car. Yeah, ain't nobody trying to wash their car, but after every snowstorm, you know, when they have the ice and the salt on the road, you want to wash your car because the salt can eat away. I know your boy Artofspeedd, I don't want to, but you know, I have a wrap on the Gen Coupe, so I be trying not to like dry the Gen Coupe because I don't really want to have to deal with the salt and all of that stuff on the road. So yeah. But if you're enjoying this video, go and smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of the Artofspeedd family, go to the subscribe button. Yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.